Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. We are on the daily time frame and we take a look at the chart from an Elliott wave perspective. In this or on this chart, we can see a support area which is defined based on our Elliott wave roadmap. It is a sentiment-based system which allows us to understand the most probable scenarios and the relevant invalidation points and the levels where probabilities start to shift. So the preferred interpretation is currently the yellow scenario. In this scenario, the price started to rally in a so-called C wave in August. And so far, it is a three-wave move to the upside into the December high. We have a fourth wave pullback, which could be complete, and one more high is outstanding. Now, obviously, it's not a guarantee. It's all about probabilities here. However, a C wave should be a five-wave pattern. I can only identify three waves. And the support area that you can see here, which is defined between 64 cents and 94 cents, is currently, the one that we are watching primarily, because from an Elliott wave perspective point of view, the 50% Fibonacci retracement at 64 cents is the key support level for a fourth wave. So the market should not break below it. Well, if it does, of course it could. It's just not expected at this stage based on probabilities. But sometimes the market takes the lower probability pathway. So if the market breaks below that level, it tells us, and that's very important knowledge for traders and investors, it tells us that it's probably not the yellow scenario. We would then most likely look for one more low in the orange scenario, and the lower support area, which is for an alternative perspective, the lower support area will come into focus. So that would be defined between 28.9 cents and 36 cents, but it's currently not expected. It would take a break below 64 cents to confirm that, which leaves us with a bullish outlook. I would say a cautiously bullish outlook. We need to be a bit careful because the price rallied already a lot between November and early December. And I'm only watching for one more high in this cycle. Yes, more or something more bullish might play out, but it would need to prove itself. That would be the white scenario. It would need to prove itself. But even in the white scenario, where after the next high, we would get another higher low and another higher high, this would mark a very, very important price top area. Probably around $1.72, $2.36, $2.95 if things go well. We will have to pay close attention to the microstructures on the way up to determine where exactly the price will likely form a top. And then even if this is another high which comes afterwards, this correction would be quite substantial. So let's take a look at the smaller time frame for ADA Cardano. And the situation here is unchanged. The market is currently holding a micro support area between 92 cents and $1.03. This is basically the nearest support area I can offer. Any break below that will again shift the focus to the lower support area, which however is that support area I showed you already on the larger time frame. 64 cents is really the main level that needs to hold to keep the bullish expectations alive. For now, the main idea is that a fourth wave bottomed on the 20th of December, and the move to the upside is a so-called ending diagonal pattern or some kind of a diagonal pattern. What is a diagonal pattern? It's a structure which indicates an uptrend, but it's kind of a weak uptrend because, as you can see, it's characterized by a lot of overlapping structures. Basically, the buyers come in, the buyers drive the price higher, but the sellers are stepping in as well, and they are very strong, and they drive the price lower again. It leads to this weak uptrend, and it could continue like that for a little bit. The condition is that the price holds above 92 cents, or at least we avoid a decisive break below 92 cents. And for an upside breakout confirmation, we need a move above the $1.16 level. So not really anything changed here, but it's a very fragile structure. So another test of lower support cannot be ruled out. So to be clear, for now, the yellow scenario seems to be the preferred scenario. Below 92.9 cents, the previous swing lows could offer some last support. Here at around 87.8 cents, but below that, we are likely going to test here the lower box again. Yeah, so that's the update about ADA. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. And if you are interested in the membership, feel free to check out our channel page. There's a video that explains the memberships. You become a member, then you get access to member-only videos, our Sunday live streams at 5 p.m. UTC every Sunday. And as a gold member, you also get access to our Discord server for a lot of additional content. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.